Now, this video is specially made for steam cleaner owner, as in this video I have listed top 3 best rug stream cleaner in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom fit rug steam cleaner after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of rug steam cleaner. And for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the best rug steam cleaner. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with rug area, so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. The Shark Stain Striker Portable Carpet Upholstery and Area Rug Cleaner, PX202BRN, is a powerful solution for deep cleaning rugs, carpets, and car interiors. With its dual-activated stain striker formula, it effectively tackles tough stains and stubborn odors, making it ideal for homes with pets or kids. The compact, portable design allows for easy maneuverability, while the included bonus XL tool and 4 specialized cleaning tools offer precise spot cleaning on a variety of surfaces. Its Nordic blue aesthetic adds a sleek touch, and the full-size cleaning solution ensures you're well-equipped for multiple cleaning sessions. This machine combines strong suction with advanced cleaning technology to penetrate deeply into fibers, leaving carpets and upholstery fresh and rejuvenated. Whether you're dealing with everyday spills or set-in grime, the Shark Stain Striker is a reliable choice for restoring rugs, couches, stairs, and even car seats. It's a top-rated steam cleaner that delivers professional results at home. Number 2. The BISSELL Crosswave Pet Pro, Model 2306A, is a clever hybrid. It vacuums and mops simultaneously, making it ideal for homes with pets and busy families. Powered by a 560-watt motor and featuring a 3,000 RPM dual-action brush, it efficiently tackles dried spills, pet hair, and embedded dirt on sealed hard floors and area rugs. The dual-tank system ensures fresh cleaning solution contacts your floors while dirty water is isolated. Its tangle-free brush and strainer protect against hair wrap, and the self-clean cycle keeps maintenance simple. Review sites rate it highly for convenience and overall performance, although suction in deep carpet crevices can be average. At around $30 to $35 Canadian dollars in India, it's a top-tier rug steam cleaner alternative. If you want a true deep clean shampooer for thick carpets, consider a specialist carpet cleaner. But for quick, everyday cleaning, the Crosswave Pet Pro excels. Number 3. The McCulloch MC1275 is a versatile, no-chemicals steam cleaner that delivers powerful cleaning performance for home and auto detailing. Its large 48 ounces tank provides up to 45 minutes of continuous superheated steam, up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for tackling tile, grout, sealed floors, carpets, upholstery, grills, vehicles, and more. Inlay with 18 attachments, including mop head, jet nozzle, utility brushes, squeegee, and scrub pads, it accommodates nearly any cleaning task. End users appreciate the steam lock switch for hands-free operation and the lengthy power cord plus hose for greater reach. Independent testers from Better Homes and Gardens and Real Simple even deemed it best overall for heavy-duty steam cleaning, praising its durability and efficiency across surfaces, although caution is advised on delicate flooring due to high heat. While it's heavier and lacks water-level visibility, the MC1275 remains a top pick for deep, chemical-free cleaning. Thank you for watching, guys. The buying link is given in the description below so that you can check them on the Amazon.com and choose them accordingly. So that it get from this video, and I hope you like this video on Best Rug Steam Cleaner. And if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.